One of the many benefits of using Instagram for your business is the ability to use features like Instagram Stories. Now, while posting a story only lasts for 24 hours, there is a simple and effective way for you to repurpose these stories so that they can be used in the days, weeks, and months to come. Enter Instagram highlights. Imagine if you had a chance to share with every new follower your message, story, products or services, or even behind the scene moments without having to scroll through your entire Instagram feed. That's exactly what Instagram highlights can best be used for. And since these stories have a longer shelf life than just 24 hours, you get to decide how you want to categorize them and brand them to best represent your business. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and my channel is all about sharing marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create your own customized Instagram highlight covers for free using Canva. All right, business peeps, so today I'm going to show you how to create your own customized and branded look for your Instagram highlight covers. Now, just to make sure that we are all on the same page, when I say Instagram highlight covers, this is what I'm referring to. Before we jump into designing the actual covers though, there are two things that I need you guys to do. Number one, you need to decide what categories you want to create for your highlights. So if you notice right now, mine are listed as 2019 resources, Charleston, Vino, and store. Since I'm updating my Instagram highlight covers with you guys, I'm going to update my categories to 2019, freebies, low country, must reads, Zeus, and inspiration. Now, if you are having a hard time deciding how you want to categorize your Instagram highlights, my recommendation is that you look for ways that you can promote your product and services. So for me, that's going to be where my 2019 and freebies come in. Those are two categories where I'll highlight some of the content that I'm putting out there. And then mix it in with a little behind the scenes or personal categories. So for me, that's where Low Country and Zeus come into play, since it'll give me a space to catalog two of my favorite things, which is where I live and my fur child. All right, so the second thing I need you to do is to decide what style you want your highlight covers to be. You really have two options here. So either you go with a text style or an icon style. So by text, this is what I mean. And by icons, this is what I mean. Once you have these two things figured out, designing your Instagram highlight covers is really easy. So to begin with, you need to have a canva.com account. Canva is free, and while you do have an option for a paid version if you want a business account, everything that I'm going to be showing you in this video, you can do on the free account. So once you have a Canva account and are ready to start designing, simply log in. All right, once I am on canva.com in my account, I click on Create a Design. I'm going to scroll down here to social media and click on Instagram Story. If you notice here to the left, I'm going to have all these templates that I can utilize if I wish, but I am just going to go ahead and change my background. If you notice, you can change it to whatever brand colors you have or any other color. I'm going to keep mine this teal blue. I already know that I want to do a starburst in the background, and I hit starburst. There are all these options here. I click on this one up here that I liked, and notice I can actually change the color of it up here in the left corner. It's gold, but I want to change it to white. Now that white is very heavy, so I can change the transparency on it. I also know that I want to add a television screen on here. So I go back to Elements and I type in television screen. I scroll through and I see that these are all my options for icons, but then I remember that I've uploaded one already that I want to use. So I uploaded this picture earlier and I'm going to just insert it into my image. All right, so then I am going to place a white box over the television screen, just like this, and I'm going to make sure that the dimensions fit it as I want. I'm then going to add text in the center of that. So I'll go over here to the text box and click Add a Heading. I'm then going to go through and add each one of the categories that I selected and change the font color as well as the size. And I'm going to increase the size just a tad over here. Perfect. So that's what I want my Instagram covers to look like. I'm going to add this, make the starburst just a little bigger. Alright, so then I click download, and it's going to download the design to my computer. Now what I'm going to show you is the easiest way here to keep the image consistent across the board. So I'm going to go back to my home page, and where it says your designs, I'm going to hit make a copy. It's going to create a copy of the design I just made. And all I'm going to do now is change the text to my next category, which is going to be Zeus. Alright, and then I'm going to hit download again. And that should be it. So now the second part of this is to actually go back to my phone and upload the stories. If you've noticed, I've done it for each one of my categories and I've uploaded them to my phone or my gallery. So now what I'm going to do here is you actually have to go in and upload it as a story. And I did that. If you notice, there it is in my stories. I click on highlight, and I usually do it backwards. So I'll start with the one that I want to appear at the end, which in my case is inspiration. And then I'll go in and add each one. Alright, so this is my last one, 2019. Now you might think that I'm done, but I actually want to go in and edit my highlight because I want to make the screen just a little larger in those circular boxes. So I'll go in for each one, edit highlight, and zoom in. And once I've done these for all of them, you'll see that they all look consistent across the board. Alright, so I hope that you found this video helpful. Feel free to share it with anyone that you think may want to learn how to create their own customized Instagram highlight covers. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just hit the subscribe button below. And if you want more marketing tips, tools, or tactics, or freebies, visit my website at theseasonedmarketer.com. Now don't forget to tune in next Monday.